Hello! If you are interested in optimizing your WordPress, writing to attract clients to your online business with great content, check out this product review and discover how you can get an exceptional deal for yourself and your business. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Start creating excellent content with a comprehensive writing tool for your WordPress site using Konten A.I. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.